Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. I hope that you all are having an amazing day. If this is your first time here, welcome and please feel free to hit that subscribe button to become part of our family. If you've been here before, welcome back to your home decor YouTube channel. So this video is going to be very interesting and I thought that you would enjoy. We're going to be showcasing all types of luxurious dining rooms that I have sourced all in one video for you. These dining rooms are the top of the top. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to become part of our family. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video thus far and have enjoyed seeing all the different types of dining rooms out there. So I said I was going to add a new feature showing you what my favorite was, but before we get started with that, what was your favorite of all the rooms? Mine? So glad you asked. It was this beauty right here. It is absolutely stunning. I love everything from the table to the chairs to the drapes. So hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.